Hood news.
This bitch trying to tell me to leave the streets, homie. But I love this little horny hooker here. Alright. You keep asking me to get up out these streets and leave this game alone forever. I keep telling you, alright, I'm married to this game and I'm gonna love my bitch forever. You got to be crazy. Think I'm leaving the game when the streets what made me? I shed blood and plenty tears in these streets, and you telling me to leave, and how the fuck you gon' eat? Love you to death. I fucked the streets before I met you. Fuck both of y'all at once. The game needs sex too. I'm only being real, and mama, that's all I know. I'm gripping wood, daughter moving a lot of snow. I'm talking a lot of coke, move through banana boats, blowing on the cutie, your fruity tasting like cantaloupe. Upstate got them cupcakes. I got them white and them tan gray things. Call them duct tape. Daughter forever real. Y'all niggas stuck fake. I'm a blind man, don't gotta see the touch weight. 864 got 8 bricks 4, 15 a piece. Give me 120 in gold. The rim and the scope. Plenty of hoes and plenty of coats. Pop pills, dump real, plenty of smoke. The game my wife, that's my reason, homie. The streets fucking everybody, but I don't care if she cheating on me. Keep asking me to get up out these streets and leave this game alone forever. But I keep telling you, alright, I'm married to this game and I'm gonna love my bitch forever. Okay, they say I changed on them, didn't keep it real on them. Fuck changed out $100 bill on them. Cop the pretty coupe and put some big wheels on it. Pretty doors up like my car got big ears on it. It's real, homie, it's gutter, I hope you listen. Remember time when daughter didn't have no pot to piss in. Apoko Dawn got a mission for strictly flipping the rest of my Pyrex and they told me to turn my wrist in. I'm talking numbers, pure cash, man. My trap bumped like I done dry shaved on some bad skin. Daughter on everything, plus I'm getting plenty mail. All y'all can say that damn daughter hell when he will. Caramel, coupe, candy, sweating, raisin sand, chocolate seats and wood grain, and side look like Raisin Bran. I play the game, loyal, stay high like Raisin Hands. Plant the streets with my music, so now I'm raising grands. I got a blazing plan, move stupid with Asian bands. I made the am to see cocaine really made my hands. Amazing man, Mr. Dun Dada Dada I am. Apoko Dun Dun Dada hotter than desert sand. I switched the paint and painted the parrot feathers. And set that bitch on my 30s, and I ghost flamed the Chinese letters. Keep asking me to get up out these streets and leave this game alone forever. I keep telling you, alright, I'm married to this game and I'm gonna love my bitch forever. Somebody better grab me, but they gonna let me loose. Been up 6 days straight hustling, smelling like a moose. When I came back through, I copied your fruity coupe. Wiggle my dick in the bitch's mouth like a losing tooth. Y'all see me pushing through, kissing on that cushion goose, dropping birds in the wall and call it chicken noodle soup. Daughter ain't your usual, partner, my swag is beautiful. Blowing like a trumpet, the reaper smelling like poodle poo. Chevy sitting pitiful, 30s on my vehicle, drop black and white with the stripes, I call it Beetlejuice. Homie, if I beat with you, know what the heater do. Better go to church, I leave you holier than a preacher suit. Y'all niggas faking, $1,000 a full goon. I'm leaning off that cushion, high as a full moon. I'm getting crazy paper from moving this crazy power. In the club with more bottles than 30 baby showers. I got so much money, I'm buying money. I got a meal in my homie, I'm crying money. Hey, your girl started liking the dog. I had her ass bent over like she hiking the ball. Don't like me at all. Hustler, my teenager. You give me 4 winner, baby, I whip into a teenager like you. Keep asking me, you know what I mean? Get yourself together. Out these streets. I'm fucking with y'all, man.